Hi guys, my name is Shrenia and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making our healthy dish with avocados. So our dish we're making is guacamole. So the ingredients you will need: 1 avocado, peeled and smashed, some onions and some tomatoes, salt, half of a lemon, and any types of chips you like to enjoy with the guacamole. So let's go ahead and add since this is 1 avocado, I'm going to add 1 spoon of onions. It depends on your taste. If you'd like, you can add more onions or more tomatoes or both. If you want spice, you could add chilies. And now let's mix. Let's squeeze in the lemon and add some salt. Mix it well. This is how the guacamole should look like when it is done. Time to enjoy it. You can enjoy them with any chips or plain. It is so delicious. I hope you try this. Bye. Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.